silver sunrise hidden gentle on the shore. Henry's rolling by the breakers like he's been here before, but the ocean mist is clinging, slipping into every scene, rusting up his little switches. As he chases one last dream, he feels the sand in his wheels, the salt in his wires, a slow seaside fade as the tide climbs higher. Oh, Henry, salt water slipping in, every wave that kisses you is wearing down your spin. You're humming soft, but the surf is taking its toll, and when the daylight dies, you'll leave the shoreline with those salt-soaked sighs, heading to H-Pad's backyard, where you'll finally lose control. Corrosion creeping deep through the motor and the frame, every breeze of ocean brine whispering your name. Your chords getting stiff, your filters clogged with sand, still you smile at the sea like it's all part of the plan. And the gulls overhead sing a gentle refrain, even heroes of the floor feel the ocean's claim. Oh, Henry, salt water slipping in, every wave that kisses you is wearing down your spin. You're humming soft, but the surf is taking its toll, and when the daylight dies, you'll leave the shoreline with those salt-soaked sighs, heading to H-Pad's backyard, where you'll finally lose control. Your motor sputters low, just a faint little cry, but you ain't scared of the fate you were born to try. Every drop of salty mist spells the end of the ride, still you meet it with a calm seaside pride.